Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making a cheesy mac and cheese. So if you're ready for Thanksgiving, then let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. This is an easy, quick, and just delicious meal. So you're going to go ahead and add in a half a stick of unsalted butter, because we're going to be using some seasonings and salt throughout this video. We don't want to do too much salt. Unless you want salt, you can go ahead and use the salted butter. We're going to go ahead and let this melt. Be sure that your heat is not up too high, because we're going to be melting cheese and we do not want our cheese to bubble and burn. So go ahead and melt your butter. All right, now we're going to add in our 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. If you are making a lot of pasta, then you can add in more of the heavy whipping cream. All right, now we're going to start adding in our cheese. The first cheese I'm adding in is a 3 cheese, shredded, grated Parmesan cheese. It has Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano. And I did get it in a jar off the shelf at the store. I don't know if they have it in a bag, but you can always check. So we're going to go ahead and add in our cheese, and then we're going to blend it up and try to let it melt some before we add in our second cheese. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add in our shredded cheese, and this is made by Kraft. It is a triple cheddar cheese blend. It is white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar. Now, if you want to use the same cheese I'm using just to get the full effect of what this mac and cheese is going to taste like, then feel free, but you can always use any type of cheese of your choice, your liking. We're going to go ahead and blend up our cheese, and we're going to get it to melt. Be sure not to have the fire up too high. You don't want it to start bubbling too much and then start burning, because the cheese will burn. All right, now we're going to add our pasta to our pan. I'm using these type of noodles. Feel free to use whatever type of noodles you would like. We're going to go ahead and get them situated and start pouring on our cheese. All right, now we're going to start adding on this yummy, cheesy, delicious cheese on top of our pasta. It looks so nice and cheesy, and it smells delicious. So yummy. You got your heavy whipping cream, you got your cheeses, you got your butter. Yes, go ahead and pour all of that cheese in, and then we're going to blend everything up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut up a few squares of butter and just put them all over the pasta, basically like in every corner and then kind of towards the middle. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this baby in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes to let that cheese and butter just marinate and melt together. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add on some Panko Crumbs. We're gonna just sprinkle about a cup on top. Make sure you cover up your pasta as much as you can. It doesn't have to be completely covered, but if you would like to do that, then that's your choice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add on a little bit more butter to give that panko an extra buttery crunch. And don't feel bad about yourself if you eat this for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It's just twice a year and it's just to celebrate the holidays. So just have fun. All right, and it's done and it's nice and crispy. Please be sure to watch your pasta as it's cooking on broil. You don't want it to burn too much. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate up this delicious side dish. Be sure to make this at Thanksgiving or Christmas and come back and let me know how you liked it, how your family liked it. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Enjoy!